Welcome to our video. This is Roboted.
Ali! And we have a special guest.
It's Dookie. So,
His real name is Yubo.
it's Dookie. Wait, can I also kay pangan sa YouTube?
AKA. Damn, guys, we're finally trying Control Chapter 1. Okay, this is scary game. Okay, where do we go? You dig back? Oh no, Owen! I
I hate this.
You're the one who told me.
Doon ako sa katong... Oh my gosh.
Mauni ang katong mag-jump scare bisag ni ato ra kay kaglikod. Di ka man kasud ara dapat matutas likod. Nakaduwa ko ni. Oh my god.
Okay, lead us.
My god. I'm turning off my sound.
Same.
Bahala ka. I'm gonna sacrifice myself for you guys. Wait, let's see kung mag-suit Arya. Nope. There's something we can go in though, I think. Ay, oh my gosh, ano. Wait, I think.
May ba chapter 2 na lang?
Maugali.
Di, pero dugay man po to.
Wait, what if na mo jump scare kalit? Sabi? Let me analyze the situation. Nara. Ako di man dito sud damas. Sud. Nara. Now, kaning part, maglugot ko. Win. Narabay mo kalit og jump scare area. That's how I remember it. And what the heck is that? Nalagi backpack. Wait, tao area.
Big back.
Woo!
Asa mo, oy?
Nalagi tao.
Ito?
Huy, unsa to? Nanakit anak ko area. Feeling ko musuta area. Come to the very end. Uwi, nasa ka? Oh my god. Pagdali ay kay biling gid ka.
Unsa ba to?
Si Owen.
Di. Nakakita ko sa
Ruben.
Kakita ko.
Oh my god, that the basketball court. Oh my god, awang floor guys. Uy, ayaw ko bili na.
Anong flashlight?
Na naman na to.
What even
Awang
happened?
claro na jump scare mura. Dagan. Uy, makakuan gid ko sa tingog sa dagan nari. Maglagot ko. Nara. Magpangita magkibi. Kisa to. Pangita magkibay mo sigsunod na ako.
Saan pagambak?
Di ka kaambak.
Saan sa malalim mo paganda?
Ako rin, nagdagan ako, tas ni kalit ako kuan.
Actually, karon pa ako ka-release na video to.
Hello, wow. Search na.
Di ko kita ninyo, oy.
Uy, narao, pultahan. Oh hell na. Oh hell na.
Dahil balik man kayo ni gawas.
Kay mau bito ning way, Owen.
Swimming pool, oh.
Gali. Sana, may blue at to ako. Sana, ako siguro daw.
Machine siguro.
Di pamala floaty. Kita daw mga pultahan. Oh, nara.
Pero na note.
Wait, I found another door. It smells in here. Nalagi ungo ari ana painting. Nine notes. Ay glihok ba? Sherry, utala. Lapoy of every villain. Si villain.
Alice, I found another thing here.
Asa?
There's a garden thingy. Small house.
Bro, how did you know?
Bro, waka sa garden karon.
Adik. Oh hell na. hali, balik mo hali. Sunda ko. I know what this is.
Yay! 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 Bro,
Ano?
balik bro, balik. Balik, balik ah.
No.
Nakakita ko. No,
Uy,
nakakita.
nag-flicker laging lights.
Nakakita. Oh my gosh. Nakakita ko yun sa sword ato.
I know.
Blood no.
Oh, yun na yung mga candle. Na picture.
I know. Oh well, just deal with it.
Bro, I think
Na aquatic.
Feel ko,
Hali mo!
feel ko malubatan mo sa kukuan. Basta black tanan ako ang avatar.
Oh, come here. Open this door.
Kanya ako face kay
Oh
kuan.
no, that's the wrong door. We have to go to the other side.
Baliktad.
Running,
Not
running,
gonna run.
running. This one right here. I feel like we're gonna get the jump scare because I forgot to this game. Bro, who has the key?
You do.
Go! Use the key!
You do.
Bro, pull out the key, you dama.
I don't have it.
Di no, giingon man na you have the key.
I don't even have it.
Don't
Hey.
tell me. We have to go back. Okay, well.
Wait, I think I know this chapter.
Sunda ko rin. Or else you're cooked.
Like, look at the walls.
I know. It's abandoned, man. Abandoned galit, no?
I don't find the key.
How did you not get the key?
Sa katong sud guys sa demonic.
I know.
Wag kay niingon ko na guys nakakuan ko. Sumun ha pag-abli na ako na kita ko key.
Who's gonna go?
Oh, no.
Nay. Ilis.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. There's gonna be a jump scare. I feel like it. Okay, I got the key. I got the key.
I don't see it, bro.
I got the key. I got the key. Don't buy. I
Oh,
have
the,
it.
like, blood.
I know. No.
I don't see the blood.
Come on, or else we're cooked.
Run again. Is there a chase?
Yeah, later on, I think. Because I don't really remember. I haven't played chapter 1 in a while now.
Bitaw. Mo man na yung pinakakuan eh.
Pinaka first. As in.
Wait, di ba kay numdum ka sa katong babae na taas?
Oh, diva get to looking.
Like us in. Ganan ako magpapatay, di ko ganan maduwa. Magpapatay na ang kwato niya kay diva kayo.
Diva looking. Okay,
Guys, should I make my avatar black?
no, don't do it. You're already black.
Bro, na
The purple tree!
bro, na black na gay ko niya, magpa-black pa jud ka.
Search for a basement. No.
Bro, I hate the basement. Bisan hayag kaayo, I hate the basement. Bro, mo na yung pinaka
Split up mo, split up.
Bro, mo na yung pinaka oldest na kuan na.
Wait, there's a note.
Na door area. Oh no, not the CR, not the CR, not the CR, not the CR.
How did a sakura tree grow in the middle of nowhere?
It's too late though. It says it's too late, bro. It says too late.
Bro, just fart.
Bro, it says actually, I'm not lying. It just said, oh my god.
Bro, also you do.
What?
Bro, leave!
Oh hell no.
There, I'll see a
Bro, why did you leave?
tutorial.
Look. Bro, why did you leave? Owen, come. Owen! I led you, Rabia. Oh my god, Barbie. Oh, wait. Okay. Let's keep walking. Open the, okay. What if may jump scare ba?
Day, pagkaribay na to, nabot siya.
Bro.
Ay!
Lumagtag sila, lumagtag. Why did I look back, bro? Why did I look back?
Bro, ako tayo ko okay, Brazil is the kita. Oh my god.
I didn't know.
I almost pooped my pants.
Let's go, I got the key,
I got the key. Bro, I hate this.
What if they bubalik siya sa guwas?
Bro, nalubatan ko si mong buhok.
Hello, uy.
Pasok ka.
Bye. This key is to the basement. And I know.
Bro, that ain't no note. That was a drawing. Bro, leave, see ya!
Maunang payapan ta. Ito ako, door to. Bugo ko.
Tugay na ko
Yapan
nag...
ko. Uy, asa to. Ay, ali ata. Pwede.
Nibunggay ko niya.
You could have suffered with us. But you chose to suffer. Chose to let us suffer.
Bro, cause like... Bro, kanang hate siya mga horror. Bro, I found it. Oh wait, never mind. It's the wrong one.
So, mga. Wait, what is that?
Bro, Watchdog mga tutorial.
Wait, what if nasa sud?
Daro, mga tutorial.
No.
How to complete.
No, ay kaning I am pretty.
Wait, bala ka, Owen. Bilinti ka.
Asa ka?
Nasa sud ba rin?
Asay sud, nalibog ko.
Sa day ng I am pretty.
Kanang babae ba na katong taas siya niya na siya'y mask ba? Naniingon na I am pretty.
Am I pretty? Tapos
Oh.
kaya kung sugot kag kwan, yes, you are pretty. Tapos ihimo parehas kaniya.
Yung basta no.
Basta no. Or I'll see you how pretty I am.
If di ka mo tingog, I think mula ka na siya dayon.
The only way is to kwan, ask her if am I pretty again? Nakalimot ko sa na. Kani ay naara. Ay di pa.
Bro, nawa na pug ko.
Nara ko.
Asa ka?
Sana. Ibalik ko yung retry. Kwan, chapter 1.